the Oakers car show, right?
Yeah.
I can't see anything. I don't think anyone can do this correctly, the awkward turtle, having one go like that and one go like this. Unless you're super talented. It's so far away. All the way to there. I don't want to run. I'll be out of breath. That. Really good time. Pathetic. Cool. Music? Yeah. Okay, it's like this. I got it. And just let you know, I don't know any of these cars' names. Neither do I. Truck, an SUV, that's all. And punch cookies. This is the Volkswagen. And Porsche. Whoa, look at those. Where do they have that? I can't hear you. Punch buggy. Wow, what is it? I like that one. Yeah, I like the red one. The red car. That one. I like that one. Wait, come here. Look, does that look like a spy car? It does. That looks like a torpedo launcher. Oh snap! Look! Oh my god! No, it's fake. Yeah, no. That's a really sexy car. It is. That's some sexy food. Why is it full? Huh? Why is it full? Because people have these cars. How do you know? Oh snap! It's yeah. Oh my god! What is it? Hydraulic. Oh my god! I think.
Once again, vehicle number 89. Vehicle number 89, we need you to come up and fill out your paperwork. Vehicle number 89, please come up and fill out your paperwork.
Ew. What's that, Roadrunner? Oh my gosh, I just said I haven't found one I really like, but I really like that one. What? Which one?
No idea.
Oh my god. Oh wait, no it's not. It is confusing, okay, it goes that way. Oh my gosh. That's a sexy skull, huh? Look at that, it's a video game. Nice. I have. Oh, Transformers, look. Philip Mullen. Yes, Lynn, you have to take a picture of it when you get off this video. We have to come back here when I get off the video. Why? Yes, send me so I can send it to Philip. Oh, look at that. Look at this. I have a name actually. So I am at some. Oh, so look at this. Dab. Look, yeah, look. Oh, I can say it. It's your cat. It's fucking do not step. Oh, don't step to it. I love this car. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. I want a crank car. One of those cranks. Yeah. I don't know. I have no idea what you're talking about. That, like in the old time where they used to crank it out. Look at this one. Whoa. Look at that orange brick. Oh. Look. OD service center. Oh, let's go. Is it a puppy or?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Everyone knows he's running.
How is it?
What kind of puppy is she?
Happy with it.
Oh, really small.
Yeah, both parents are teacups.
Oh,
It should be real little. We can find a place in the grass.
bye-bye. Customization. Oh, this. Look. Yeah. Do that one. Car inside car. Ah. I never thought of the name.
Oh, no, I haven't seen it long.
Oh, this is cool. It's super low to the ground. I always low to the ground cars. Me too. You can just get something like this. There's in the back. What's this one? Later. Yeah. Play it. Feel it. I don't want to feel it. Is it leather or something? No, feel it. It looks like leather. I don't want to feel it. No, feel it. Yeah, I didn't think so, did ya? Oh. It's smooth. Huh. It's so cute. That one. Nice interior. Oh, this one. Oh, this one. I like the bike. The what? You know when you're in the bike that goes like this? Yeah, the wheels are like all the way down there, and that's what it looks like. No. Well, yeah, it's all the way in there. Oh, he's got really long legs. Yeah, swagger. No, but squish out. What's the deal? No. I like this one. For sale. Go now. That's all of them, though. What? Where? Oh, we just looked at that, bud. Did we? This one? Mm-hmm. Oh. I like this one. Big back. This one too. I like this one a lot. You can have like two like that. Right. Pink. Oh. I like it. Yeah, that's cool. Whoa. Look at the back too. This is as big as the front. Well, this is over. Bye. Say bye, Jeff. Bye.